Atwater, Kent, E-3 speaker repair. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give a like, thumbs up, and comment. Thanks for watching. For quite a while, the speaker had an intermittent cable, and the bass stand, the casting was broken. I just dealt with it for a while. So finally, the cable just went completely dead, so I needed to repair it. Remove the 4 screws around the front speaker grill cover. Removing the front cover with a flathead screwdriver and a rubber hammer. These are the nuts that hold in the driver. With the nuts facing down so that the assembly doesn't fall out, remove the nuts. With the speaker housing still facing down, the driver facing down, the nuts removed, I didn't have the proper wrench to remove the nut that fastens the cone to the driver reed. So I simply lifted the driver and the speaker by the reed carefully upward and out of the chassis. Speaker cone and driver removed from the housing. I found it very interesting that the speaker driver was tied in a leather bag. The driver mounting bolts. Driver speaker cord mounting lugs. Remove the mounting base by loosening the 2 nuts and screws and washer that hold it in place. The mounting base casting was broken, so I glued it back together with super glue. Screwed, bolted, and reinstalled the mounting base to the speaker housing. I didn't have any used old stock speaker cord, cloth covered speaker cord, so I just went to Lowe's and brought a cloth covered power cable, cut off the ends, and used that. Soldered a couple terminal lugs to one end of the wire to connect to the speaker driver. Connected a 1/4-inch audio jack to the other end of the cable. Feeding the terminal lug end of the speaker cable through the speaker housing hole in the rear of the speaker housing. Reconnect the cable terminal lugs to the studs on the driver, fastening with the nut. Mind the polarity. The assembly procedure is the reverse of the teardown procedure. Make sure when you're putting the front cover back on that you line up the mounting holes properly. You may need to use the rubber hammer again to seat it properly. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, like, and comment. Thanks again for watching.
And their artisan collection's gorgeous. Are you going to open your gift? It's a pearl bracelet.
Visit jtb.com.
Thinks Verizon is expensive? Think again. Anyone can bring their AT&T or T-Mobile bill to a Verizon store today, and we'll give you a better deal. So bring us your bill. Walk in, run in, pogo stick in, teleport if you can. Ride on the back of a rollerblading yak or flying on the wings of a majestic falcon.
To hit the cancer. He's New York's only Harvard-trained, triple board-certified radiation oncologist. Call 212-CHOICES. 212-CHOICES to meet Dr. Lederman for a fresh second opinion. Most insurances, Medicare, Medicaid accepted. Free-booklet DVD too. Super convenient. Broadway and 38th in Manhattan. Meet Dr. Lederman to hit your cancer. Call 212-CHOICES. 212-CHOICES.
Prostate cancer, very common men's cancer. Reduced prostate cancer death, possibly yours or your loved ones. How? Visit Dr. Lederman, 1384 Broadway. Call 212-CHOICES. Most insurances, Medicare, Medicaid accepted. It's easy with Dr. Lederman, New York's only Harvard-trained, triple board-certified radiation oncologist. Call Dr.
My name is Whitney Allen, and I'm a widow. My husband Ryan died. We never thought we'd ever have to use life insurance, but the unexpected happened. With E-3, signing up was fast and 100% online. You can get a quote in seconds, apply in minutes, and get same-day coverage. No medical exams, and you can get up to $3 million worth of coverage. I'm grateful we were prepared.
Get your free quote at ethos.com/term. That's ethos.com/term. Paid spokesperson. Constant application may vary. Online help questions required.
People are experiencing these events.
Fight to protect our freedom. This is Clay Travis and the Sex of the Day. Sound on Minneapolis. Right back for every day. If you're not paying attention, shame on you. News Radio 1031 and 810 WGY. Joined by the Lieutenant Governor of Georgia.
Border security, those will all be shut down if the Democrats refuse to fund DHS on even a short-term basis.
Senator Cotton made his comments to the Salem Radio Network. Amazon sales surged 14% during the fourth quarter. More on these stories at townhall.com.
The news is brought to you by Dr. Lederman and the Radio Surgery Show. Coming up next, this hour of programming is pre-recorded.
For cancer treatment, most prefer effective, non-invasive, well-tolerated outpatient therapy. That's Dr. Lederman, the radio surgery pioneer's goal too. Dr. Lederman is first in America.
Prizes to be a part of that, right? What are the prizes?
Tell us what you want.
Yeah,
Let's just tell us what you want.
Right.
We think that's
What you
great.
really
And yes, exactly. Very well done. The reason for that is because Brandy, who is part of the Zazu, who they've done this for St. Baldrick's for years, she did the ball to the ball last year, and she shaved her own head. And
Time is worth the time we spent locked away, the time we spent not with loved ones, the cancellation of your wedding or the Zoom wedding you had to have, or the inability to hug your grandma, or the destruction of businesses, and then you for nothing. None of it was right. None of it made sense. All of it was wrong. All of it was just downside, just destruction. It's like, it's being guilty of saving lives. I'm sorry, Dr. Fauci is definitely a convicted felon if the felony is. That's what it sounds like. Notice, that's the way they try to silence. That's the way they try to get you to shut up and just deal with it. Here is Fauci doing just that. This is cut 25. Play.
I still think deep down that there's a possibility that somebody's going to kill me. So that's a possibility I wish I didn't.